Sharon from Sherry's Fairies. Well, this is Tiny Tidy Tuesday, but we're doing a mighty tidy. I am going to rearrange my living room because we bought 2 pieces of new furniture. Bought a new couch and a new recliner. So we're going to switch the furniture all around. So we have to move everything out and give it a good clean. Move things around. Hubby's going to help, yay. And then on Wednesday, we get our new furniture. So I'll have to pop a picture in when we get our furniture set up. So we're going to set it up so that you can see where the furniture is going to be placed. So here we go. Okay, we've got noisy traffic. Okay, we have all the cleaning in the living room done. I set this corner up. I think I'm going to leave it like that. And the TV's on that wall now. And we go along and got David in the corner over here. Got rid of those big bookshelves. Opens it up, makes it brighter. And we're going to put bookshelves along the banister to put our books in. That should look nice. And that's David's old chair. Not sure where it's going yet. But anyhow, probably go in my craft room. And we're going to put the new furniture along this wall. So we have our big recliner couch and Dave's big recliner coming in. And they're going to go along this wall. So everything's all cleaned up and vacuumed and mopped and ready for the furniture on Thursday. So still some work to be done, but we'll get her done. I'd like to thank everybody for watching the Mighty Tiny Tidy Tuesday. This is something I wanted to get done before Wednesday, so I thought I may as well film it. So we got it filmed for Tiny Tidy Tuesday. That's my Tiny Tidy Tuesday. And I'd like to thank Spring Dawn for hosting this. And I encourage you all to watch the rest of the Tiny Tidy ladies. There's usually quite a group of us. We get on here, we all do our tiny tidies and share and support each other. And I encourage you all to subscribe to their channels too. So I'd like to thank everybody for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this tiny tidy, which turned into a mighty tidy, which sometimes just happens. Anyhow, it's nice to get it done. Now I can relax. When the furniture comes, we can rearrange things and get some pictures hung and get the living room back in shape. And then I'll do a little summer decorating video for that. Okay, thanks again for watching. Bye everybody. Bye Tiny Tidy team. And we'll see you in the next one.